Your Lexus RX 350 key fob uses a CR2032 battery to wirelessly lock, unlock doors, and start the engine. A dead battery means your fob won't work. Replacing it is simple and saves money. The CR2032 battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years, depending on usage. Signs of a weak battery include reduced range or unresponsive buttons. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. A new battery costs around $5 to $15. If you go to the dealer, they will typically charge $50 to $100. Begin by locating the small notch or seam on the edge of your Lexus RX 350 key fob. This is usually on one of the sides near the buttons. Using a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool, gently insert it into the notch and carefully pry the case open. Work slowly to avoid scratching the plastic surface. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side is usually marked with a plus sign and faces up. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Align the two halves of the case and snap them back together firmly until you hear or feel a click, ensuring the seal is secure. Test your key fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your vehicle. Check that all functions work properly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the case is fully closed. For models with a physical key, verify it's secured. If there's water damage, clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol.